If you say these phrases to an Iranian person, even in the middle of speaking English, their face lights up. These are rewarding phrases that make them go, oh, you know that word? The kind that Persian people actually use with friends, family, and people they're comfortable with. And if you place them correctly, Iranians will immediately feel like, okay, this person's cool, this person gets us. Yet, there's a sad part to this, because many apps and textbooks and even many lectures usually teach you a kind of robotic written Persian. But here is the true Persian we're dealing with. Hi, my name is Hossein, and for nearly a decade, I've been helping people like you speak Persian with confidence. Now let's get you those social cheat codes. Number one, حرف نداره. حرف means word or speech, and نداره means it doesn't have. So literally the meaning is a bit strange, like it doesn't have a word, but it means it's amazing, it's great. حرف نداره. There's nothing to be said, there's no debate. It's hands down amazing. No words needed. So your friend might ask you, how's the food? And you can just say, حرف نداره. This next one has so many meanings, but I've seen nobody talk about the specific meaning that I'll be teaching you today. Number two, Juna. June is soul or life, your life force in a way. And Juna means my life, my soul. As I said, this has many meanings, but the one we're focusing on today is just saying yes when somebody calls your name. Yes, what is it? So if you say it like Juna, it means yes. What is it? If somebody calls your name, you can simply say Juna. And it's such a welcoming phrase. So you could, of course, say what is it or yes, but this one is a bit more welcoming. And by the way, before we go for number three, I gotta say, if you pronounce these incorrectly, it's totally fine. If you just attempt to use these phrases, people are gonna love it because they instantly feel, okay, this person understands our culture. And that is above language learning in a way. Okay, here comes number three. Damet gar. Damet gar. Dam means breath, or when you inhale, that's also called dam. And damet, your breath. Garm means warm. So damet garm, may your breath be warm. Damet garm. In conversation, this could mean thank you, you're great, you're amazing, you're the man, great job, well done. All of these could be damet garm. But generally, there's one of these two meanings. It's either thank you, you're appreciating them for something they did, or you're saying they did an amazing job and they are great for what they did. Your colleague gets a promotion. You tell them, damet garm. Your friend gives you a very thoughtful gift. damet garm. Your friend does a nice backflip. You tell them, damet garm. This next one is one of the more famous Persian phrases, and there's no exact English equivalent for it. And that's na baba. Na means no, baba means dad. But together, na baba is like, no way. Like, that's not even close. That's not true. Na baba. It's like, no way. Like, don't even think about that. Like, nah, dude. Like, totally not. Not even close. So, for example, you tell your friend, oh, I got great news. And they're like, oh, did you get married? And you're like, nah, baba. Like, that's not even close to what I was going to say. But it's not very dismissive. So, it's not rude to say nah, baba. It's quite friendly. And number five is na baba. It's the exact same as number four, but it sounds a little different. So here your intonation becomes important. You could say na baba, which we already learned, meaning no way. But na baba is no way. Like, seriously, is that really true? So there's an element of surprise with more emotion behind your question. So your friend, for example, says, oh, I got a job at this big company. I got a job at Google. You're surprised, you're happy. You go, na baba, no way. Seriously, for real? Persian is mostly known for being warm and poetic, but it's also very playful with the expressions. And these expressions carry a lot of character and personality within them. So once you use these, there's a certain feeling accompanying them. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, and if you want to learn Persian with me personally or join our community of other Persian learners, one-on-one lessons, video courses, everything is linked below.